Students, welcome to CBSE Maths World. Today we are going to discussing exercise 1.4 questions. What is exercise 1.4 question is basically the theorem we are using in exercise 1.4 is if it is a rational number. What is a rational number? A number in the form p by q. One number divided by another number. Suppose the rational number is p by q. Then if the denominator in the form, the denominator is q here, denominator in the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, then it is terminating. Otherwise it is non-terminating, repeating. What I am saying is the denominator. The factors of the denominator is 2 or 5, or both you can take. You can take 2 is a factor, or 5 is a factor, or 2 alone is a factor, or 5 alone is a factor. If any other number coming as a factor in the denominator, it is non-terminating. So it's clear. If a rational number in the form p by q, if the denominator in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m, then it is terminating. If it is not in the form, it is non-terminating. Check the first question. The first question is, we want to check whether the following numbers are terminating or non-terminating. We want to check whether the following numbers are terminating or non-terminating. So we are not bothering about the numerator. We are checking only the denominator. What is the denominator here? 3125. Just factorize 3125. With 5 you will get 6 2 5. Again with the 5 you will get 1 2 5. Again with the 5 you will get 25. Then again with 5 you will get 5. So how many 5? 1 2 3 4 5. So you can write 13 is 13 and 3125 as 5 raised to 5. So the denominator, only the factors of the denominator is only 5. So it is in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. Then we have a confusion. There is no 2 here. How? There is no 2 here. You can write 13 is actually 13. This 5 raised to 5 is actually equal to 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 5. So what is the 2 raised to 0? 2 raised to 0 is 1. So 5 raised to y, you can write 1 into 5 raised to 5, or you can write 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 5. So denominator in the form 2 and 5. Only the denominator contain 2 and 5. So it is in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. So it is terminating or non-terminating? Yes, definitely it is terminating. It is terminating 1. Just you want to write this 13. Factorize the denominator. 3125 you can write as 5 raised to 5. So the denominator contains only 5. So it is terminating. Look the next question. 17 by 8. Now need to factorize the numerator. 17. 8. How can you write 8? 8 you can write 2 times 4, again 2 times 2. So 8 you can write 2 cube. So denominator contains only 2. But I am saying that if it is terminating, denominator contain only 2 or only 5 or only both 2 and 5. So 17 is 17, 80 you can write 2 raised to 3. So it is terminating. Look the next question. 64 by 455. Factorize the 455. Factorize 455. With the 5 you can write 9 and this is 1. 91. Then with which number we can divide with the 7. 7 you can get 13. So this 455 you can write 64 is 64. 455 you can write 5 into 7 into 13. Now denominator not in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Denominator contains 7 and 13. So it is non-terminating. It is non-terminating. If it is terminated, denominator contain only 2 and 5. Here now 5 is here, but 2 is not here. Again, moreover, 7 and 13 is also present in the denominator. So it is non-terminating, repeating. Look at the fourth question. 129 by 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 7, 7 raised to 5. 2 is here, 5 is here. It's okay. But 7 is came here. That's why it is non-terminating. So once again, if it is terminating, denominator in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. The denominator contain the factors as 2 and 5. If any other number coming as the factor in the denominator, it is non-terminating. This is the method. Okay, we can move to the next question. What's the next question? We want to write a decimal expansion of the following rational numbers. Decimal expansion of the following rational number. What is the first question? 13 by 3125. That's actually the first question repetition. 13 by 3125. From the first question we know that it is terminating. So what is 13 by 3125? We can write 13 is 13. 3125 as 5 raised to 5. What is 5 raised to 5? 3125. To get this answer we are using one method. That is 13 is 13. 5 raised to 5 you can add here 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. This 5 raised to 5 is 5 raised to 5, but we are adding here 2 raised to 5. If you are multiplying the denominator with 2 raised to 5, you want to multiply numerator also with 2 raised to 5. Here numerator is also 2 raised to 5. Why we are making this thing? For the next step, it's very clear. That is 13 by, what is 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 raised to 5? What is 2 raised to 5? 2 raised to 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. So what is 2 raised to 5? 2 raised to 5 is 32. Divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 is, you can write 2 into 5 all raised to 5. What is 2 into 5 all raised to 5? 10 raised to 5. That is 13 into 32. What is 13 into 32? 416 by 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5 means 1 and how many 0? 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? 416 by 1 and 5 0. What is the answer? First write this 416. Then check how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. From here, after the fifth number, put a dot on the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then put a dot here. So the answer is 0.00416. Once again, if it is terminating denominator in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m, so we are making the denominator as the power of 10. So here 5 raised to 5. So we are multiplying the denominator with 2 raised to 5. So multiply numerator also with 2 raised to 5. What is 2 raised to 5? 32. So 30 into 32, 416 by 10 raised to 5. So 416 by 1 and 5 0. So the answer is 0.00416. Look the next question, 17 by 8. So the answer is 17 by, what is 8? 8 is 2 cube. We want to make the denominator as the power of the 10. So what is needed here? 2 into 5 is 10. So 17 by 2 cube into what? 2 cube. 2 cube into what is 10 cube? 2 cube into 5 cube is the 10 cube. So multiply numerator also with the 5 cube. That is 17 into, what is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. So the numerator is 17 into 125. The denominator is 2 into 5 whole cube. That is 10 cube. What is 17 into 125? 17 into 125 is 2125. 2125 by 1 and how many 0? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So what is this answer? First write the numerator 2125. Then how many 0 in the denominator? 3 zeros in the denominator. So from here, after the third number, put a point. 1, 2, 3. Where we put the point? In front of the third number. From here, from the right side. So what's the answer? 2.125. Look at the third question. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. So first thing is we are making the denominator the power of 10. 2 cube. Here 5 square. What's the problem here? Here the power of the 2 is 3. Here the power of the 5 is 2. So what we need? We need one more 5 in the numerator. So it's become 23 by 2 cube into 5 cube. Now it's okay. 2 cube into 5 cube is 10 cube. So what we multiplied? We multiply the denominator with the 5 raised to 1. That is 5. So multiply numerator also. That is 23 into 5. What is 23 into 5? 115 by 10 cube. 115 by 10 cube. So you can write 115 by 10 cube is 1 and how many 0? 3 zeros. So where we put the point? First write 115, then 3 0. So from here, after the third point, put a point. After third number, put a point. 1, 2, 3. Where we put the point? We are putting the point here. So the answer is 0.115. Look at the last question. Check whether the following are rational or irrational numbers. What is rational numbers? Rational numbers are terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Look the first question. 43.123456789. What is the speciality? After the point, number is stopping here 9. So it is terminating. So what is number? It is a rational number. It is terminating. That's why it is a rational number. Look at the second question. 0.120, 1200, 1200, 1200. Here 1, 2 is repeating, but 0 is not repeating the same order. So it is non-terminating. Dot is put here. So it is non-terminating. It is going. It is non-terminating, non-repeating. So it is no doubt. It is irrational number. It is a irrational number. Look at the third question. 43.1234567 bar. What is the meaning of this bar? Bar means it's repeating. That is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So it is non-terminating, but it is repeating. That's why it is a rational number. It is a rational number. These are the problems from this chapter. Thanks for watching.